Hello everyone, welcome to Rome Tips. Today we will be discussing how to change your iCloud password on your Mac. It's a super important thing to do regularly to keep your account secure. In this video, I'll walk you through the process step by step. It's easier than you might think. We'll cover finding the settings, creating a strong password, and confirming the change. Before we dive in, if you find this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to Rome Tips for more Mac tips and tricks. We appreciate your support.
Okay, let's get started.
Screen recording starts. Apple menu drop-down. First, click the Apple menu in the top left corner of your screen. It's that little Apple icon. Screen recording focuses on System Settings. Then from the drop-down menu, select System Settings or System Preferences, depending on your Mac OS version. Screen recording shows System Settings window.
Alright, the system setting window will pop up.
Screen recording focuses on the search bar. In the top right corner, you'll see a search bar. Type in iCloud and press enter.
Screen recording highlights Apple ID.
You should see Apple ID as a search result. Click on it. Screen recording shows Apple ID settings. Okay, now you're in your Apple ID settings. On the left-hand side, you should see a few options.
Screen recording highlights, password et security.
Click on Password and Security. Screen recording might show a prompt to enter your Mac password or use Touch ID. You might be asked to enter your Mac password or use Touch ID to verify your identity. Go ahead and do that. Screen recording focuses on Change Password. You'll see a button that says Change Password. Click that. Screen recording shows password reset options. Might show Continue for account recovery. Now you'll be presented with a few options, depending on your account setup and security settings. Asterisk if you're being asked to enter your old password before setting a new one asterisk, you'll need to enter your current iCloud password. If you don't remember it, there's usually a Forgot Password option you can click. Asterisk if you see Continue to start account recovery asterisk, this means your password reset will be handled through your trusted phone number or email associated with your Apple ID. Follow the on-screen instructions. Asterisk if you can immediately set a new password asterisk, lucky you. You will be able to create a new password now. Screen recording shows fields for new password and verify. Okay, now carefully type in your new password in the new password field. Make sure it's strong. A combination of upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols is always a good idea. Screen recording highlights the Verify field. Then, retype your new password in the Verify field to confirm you entered it correctly. Screen recording focuses on Change Password button. Finally, click the Change Password button. Screen recording shows a loading indicator or confirmation message. Your iCloud password has now been changed. You might need to re-enter your password on other devices linked to your iCloud account, like your iPhone or iPad. Just follow the prompts on those devices. Screen recording ends. And that's it. You've successfully changed your iCloud password on your Mac. Remember to choose a strong and unique password and keep it safe. Regularly changing your passwords is a great way to protect your online security. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more helpful Mac tips and tricks. Thanks for watching. And leave a comment below if you have any questions. See you in the next video.